So we're coming out of the Davis Mountains towards Alpine, and it is green like nobody's business. See all these clouds? There's like standing water, but it's so green. We've never seen it this green, really. Just kind of chilling out, taking our time. It's 70 here, but we're doing 55 just because. Looks like a state trooper. Yep. And another one coming. He's rolling on by, that guy. And he's following him. Must have been something we didn't see. There's not a whole lot out here. But it is green even for the desert, high desert. I think those are going to be the Chisos Mountains over there, which is on the edge of in the middle of Big Bend. Hope it's coming through that it's so green here. I mean, look at this grass. It's like 4 feet tall. Crazy. Pretty sure that's Alpine up there. I'm going to try and record enough to give a kind of good overview of our little excursion to Big Bend National Park and Terlingua mostly. Skip Pecos because it's just an oil town. Little 3-minute clips. Get the idea. It's pretty vacant out here. You can buy land out here for like 18 grand for 20 acres. It's crazy.